They include manufacturers from China operating mainly in the fields of electronics, textiles, footwear and spare part production. The industrial sector is growing strongly with a tenfold increase in foreign direct investment over the last decade. Woodland supply is facilitating incoming manufacturing projects and the rise of rental options with ready-built factories and built-to-suit solution. Vietnam must be more selective with projects to move up the value chain, improve competitiveness, and ensure sustainable growth. Low labor costs and government incentives, particularly preferential tax rates, will continue to be critical drivers of FDI. However, to maintain the transition to higher value industries, Vietnam must focus on the quality rather than the number investment. By enabling the latest production technologies and increasing workforce training, the government is actively easing qualms around viabilities, labor shortage, and rising costs for a more transparent business environment.